Okay, guys, just got some goodies in. I got my MOFT phone stand, the tablet stand, and Apple Pencil holder. And I'm gonna install these and show you how they work. So let's get into it. What's up, guys? This is Jason with Red Bee Labs, and as I said, we are going to install the MOFT phone stand, tablet stand, and the Apple Pencil holder. Let me get my trusty iPad. I need the pencil for right now. All right, we're gonna do the iPad first. So I'm gonna flip her over. Give her a little rubbing. That's good. All right, now I've been waiting for this for a little bit. Pull that out. Look at that. That's it. Just nice, very nice. I like the color. It's got the adhesive on the back that will stick to the back of the iPad or a case. You can put it on any case you want as well. Okay, let's get into it. Let me get this. It's got a nice little tab right here. All right, and we're gonna flip it over. Bam, and just push it down, push it down. Okay. It's already under kind of tight. All right, and it's super thin on there. Super thin, you see a little right here, but you get in here, you pull it down. Boom, boom. I like it. Sets it down pretty nice. Pop it in portrait. And do a couple things. I like it. It's feeling lightweight on the back. And you remove it. Perfectly simple. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put that back on there, and now I'm going to break out the phone. I'm going to put it on my 10R. Now, what's cool about that is it comes with a little magnet, so you can stick this to the wall and then stick the phone there. It's pretty cool. A little extra. And pull this out. All right. This one, what's kind of cool about this one is it's actually a wallet as well. You can put, I think, 2 credit cards in there. All that information right there. See what this is. All right, with a glass back, now we're gonna have to put a special glass sticker on the back of it. So let me go ahead and put that on there. A little nicer if we had guides. I'm gonna flip her so I know exactly where. Some of these bubbles out. All right, then they say that you need to wait like 12 hours, but I'm gonna go ahead and put the back on, and I'll just let it be for a little. Push it down a little. And as I was saying, that's where you put your credit card, your bus pass, or whichever there. I think it holds like 3 of them. And then go ahead and test it out. Stand works nice. Like the direction said, you want to leave the glass sticker on there for about 12 hours, but I'm not going to mess with this. I'm just going to put it over on the side, but I wanted to show you guys how it goes on there and fits and how thin it is. And even when it's out, it's easy to just pop right out. Super thin, sturdy. All right, and then the last one I have is, put you over here, is for the Apple Pencil. And this will allow the Apple Pencil to still charge. All right, slid it all in. And you can just, there you go. It's on there. You can also charge it. Make sure my little charger thing is pointed the right way. Apple Pencil charging. All right, guys, I'm gonna show you how to put your cards in. And you can do, two cards in there now. Pretty nice. Protects them. I think you could squeeze a third in there, but then I'd be kind of tight. It'd be kind of a little too thick on it. But yeah. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and leave a link in the description so you can pick up these 3 items or individual. I like them so far. It's nice. I mean, I'm not one that has a case on my phone, so this is really good for me. I can, you know, just prop it up on the desk. You know, go ahead and put my cards in here. You know, I'm a minimalist, so I don't really have a thick wallet. It's awesome for me not to lose my pen. And again, I don't like cases on my iPad, so putting it on the side, putting the Apple Pencil on the side, it falls off in my bag a lot. But hey guys, in my opinion, these are really good. I'm really strong adhesive. I mean, like I showed you before, you can easily take it off if you need to. I think there's a couple times where you can take it off and then reapply. It's really easy to pull it out, snap it back in. It's thin enough that it'll go in your pocket and it won't create any bulk. Before you go, if you found value in this video, if you could smash that like button, leave me a comment or two, share this video, and click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new content I provide. As always, this is Jason, and I'll catch you in the next one.